Okay, this is part two. This is the glass pack muffler that I made, and it's just got filled with fiberglass. It's got, this tube goes all the way through the middle. It's got a whole series of holes drilled in it with glass packed around the outside, which is just the way the old cherry bombs and old glass pack mufflers from years ago used to be made. And it mellows it down a little bit. It doesn't have quite as much bark as it does with a straight pipe on it. And you'll see the difference here. A little bit more noisy. We're going to try this next, and we'll see. We'll see what tune it plays, if it does. I don't have a lot of confidence that it's going to do it. I've been wanting to try it for a long time, so we'll see. I'm going to shut this down, and then we'll have a third video.